A dynasty isn't built in a day. It's built in pre-shift. Because the real championship work? It happens before the lights come on. Too many teams treat the shift like a scramble. No alignment, no clarity, no rhythm. And that chaos doesn't just stay in the back of house. It spills into the guest experience. Then we wonder why the night feels off, why the team misses beats, or why no one's on the same page. Here's the hard truth. If you don't win pre-shift, you're already playing from behind. A dynasty isn't built in a day. It's built in pre-shift. Great teams aren't just built on talent. They're built on habits. Daily huddles, clear plays, team-wide focus. Think of pre-shift as your locker room, the moment before the buzzer. That's where game plans are made, energy is set, and roles are defined. You don't see the Bulls win rings without Phil Jackson laying out the vision before tip-off. Same goes for your team. If the playbook's unclear, the play falls apart. Check out this review from a 4-star brasserie in Miami. Food was good, but we were told 2 different specials by 2 different servers. Confusing. That disconnect? It started before service ever began. Now compare that to this. Everyone knew what was going on. Specials were explained perfectly, and our server answered questions like a pro. That's not just professionalism, that's preparation. Here's how to build a championship team with every pre-shift. Standardize the huddle. Same time, every day. No exceptions. Build it into muscle memory. Clarify the game plan. Menu changes, unavailable items, VIPs, big bookings. No one should hear it mid-shift. Name the captains. Assign support roles. Who's mentoring the new hire today? Who's checking side duties? Check the energy. Wins, shout-outs, motivational tone. Pre-shift is the first impression for your team, and it sets the tone for every guest impression that follows. You don't stumble into excellence. You build it rep by rep, shift by shift, huddle by huddle. Follow MVH for daily blueprints that build better teams. And remember, the shift doesn't start when doors open. It starts in the locker room.